Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make payment to the IRS online. So first is all you have to do is visit the IRS Direct Pay page, and from there just start by clicking on make a payment. Then next is just enter your tax information starting with reason for payment, apply payment to, and tax period for payment. Then once done, just head over and click on continue. Then next, all you have to do is verify your identity by providing personal details, starting with tax year for verification, filing status, first name, last name, confirm last name, also your SSN or ITIN, just confirm SSN or ITIN, and date of birth, country of residence, street address, city, state or US territory, and zip code. Also, make sure that you check the button on I accept the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act, then proceed by clicking on continue. Next, just enter your payment information, starting with the payment amount, and just confirm the payment amount and also the payment date. Then next, also enter in your bank account information, starting with routing number, then account number, then just confirm your account number. Also choose account type if checking or savings. And lastly, make sure that you check I would like to receive email confirmation notifications and agree to email terms of service, and just provide an email address, then just confirm the email address. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on the continue button. And from there, all you have to do is confirm that all the details and information you provided are all correct and submit it to the IRS. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!